Hello children, how are you all? Welcome to Smiley's channel. So today we are going to learn about expanded form in math. So the topics which I am going to cover here are the detailed explanation about expanded form, the definition and meaning, and a brief about place values and the pronunciation, according to the pronunciation, how to write expanded form, and I'm going to give some tricks and tips for you to write easily the expanded form of any number. Let us see the concept now. Here is the expanded form, children. Just have a look at the definition. Expanded form is a way of writing the numbers according to their place value of each digit, what it holds on. And here is one more for your understanding. I have written this. Expanded form means breaking up the numbers or digit according to their place value of each digit. What does it mean? When you get any number, you are going to break up or divide the number in detail according to the place value of each digit. So what are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds and thousands, 10,000 and so on. So here you may get a doubt, what is place value? We have already discussed regarding this. If you have any doubt, you can check the link in the description box below. I'll be posted for you for your detailed understanding. So in brief, I'll tell you, place value tells us the value of each digit according to the place where the number lives on, what it holds on. Okay, here we'll just see what you need to keep in mind. We are going to divide the number according to the place value of each digit. That is called expanded form. Here few points you need to remember, children. When you are writing expanded form of any number, you need to start from the highest place value of that particular number. If it is 2-digit number, you will be getting ones place and tens place. Need to start from tens place, whereas in 3-digit number the highest place value is hundreds place. Need to start from hundreds place. So if it is 4-digit number, you need to start from thousands place, and so on in the same way here. And one more point you need to remember, in any number if you see the digit 0, so in that particular digit's position, either it is ones place, if it is tens place, you need to write 0 in that particular digit place value. I'll explain the same thing with examples. So here are the set of examples I have taken: 2-digit, 3-digit and 4-digit numbers. So first we'll arrange these numbers according to their place value. So this is for your understanding, children. This is not exam point of view. So here when you start expanded form of any digit, you need to start from the highest place value. That is the first point you need to remember. Here we have 2-digit number, that is 28. So when we assign place value of any number, we should always start from right side to left side, that is ones place and tens place. Here we are assigning, see, 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 2 into 10, that is why we have written 10 here. 8 is in ones place, so 8 into 1. So here again, when you have 0, what to do? You will get a doubt. So that is the reason I have taken number 10 here. So ones place and tens place. Again 1 is in which place? Tens place. So 1 into 10, and 0 is in which place? Ones place. So 0 into 1. Same way with the 3-digit numbers or 4-digit numbers with anything. So we'll just see 453. So ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So 4 is in hundreds place. So 4 into 100. 5 is in tens place. So 5 into 10. 3 is in ones place. So 3 into 1. Again we have 0 here in between. What to do? The same thing you need to follow. Same way you need to write, children. So 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 1 into 100 and 0 into 10. 9 into 1. Here 9725. 9 is in thousands place. 7 is in hundreds place. So 7 into 100. So 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 2 into 10. Whereas 5 is in ones place. So 5 into 1. Again I am showing you with 4 digit numbers with zeros. See, 1002. Here 1 is in which place? Thousands place. So 1 into 1000 and zeros. 1 into, it is in which place? Hundreds place. So here 0 into 100. Again one more 0 here. 0 into 10. And 2 is in which place? Ones place. So 2 into 1. Here 2560. So this is the another number, 4 digit number. Again ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 2 into 1000. Here 5 into 100. 6 into 10. 0 into 1. So we know that if we multiply any number with 0, so the answer is 0. Keep that in mind. So now we are going to write the expanded form of each number according to their place value. See, here 28. See, 2 is in which place? Tens place. So 2 into 10, 20. 8 is in which place? Ones place. So 8 into 1, 8. So that is how according to the place value. So 2 is in tens place. So 2 into 10, 20. 8 is in ones place. So 8 into 1, 8. That is how we have written. That is how you need to write. Again here we have number 10. So 1 is in which place? Tens place. 1 into 10, 10. 0 is in which place? Ones place. 0 into 1, 0. 453. So 4 is in hundreds place. 4 into 100, 400. 5 into 10, 50. 3 into 1 because it is in ones place. So 3. 109. So 1 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 100. Again here you observe. So this is the second point I told you to remember. When you see 0, so don't think about anything, directly you write 0 in that particular digits place. Plus 9, because when we multiply 0 with any number, the answer is 0. So here 9 is in ones place. So 9 into 1, 9. 9725. See here 9 is in which place? Thousands place. So here 9 into 1000, 9000. 7 into 100 because it is in hundreds place, 700. 20 is in tens place. So here 20. 5 is in ones place. So 5 into 1, 5. The same way we have written this also. See, 1002. 1 is in thousands place. So 1000. Again here you have zeros. Don't think about anything, children. Write 0. And here comes 0. Very good. Here number 2 is in ones place. 2 into 1, 2. 2560 here. So this is the last 4 digit number. So ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So 2 into 1000, 2000. And here 5 into 100, 500. 6 into 10, 60. Plus 0. When you have 0, you need to write 0. And do you know how we got 28? So if we add 20 plus 8, we will get 28. 10 plus 0, 10. So that is how we get these numbers. So this is all for your understanding about the place values I have written, children. According to this, we are writing the expanded form. Now I am going to teach you some tricks or tips to write expanded form in an easy way. So let us see now how it will be. So till now we have discussed what is expanded form and how to write expanded form according to their place value. So that is the actual way of writing the expanded form. But to make it very simple, so I am giving some tricks or tips for you to follow. Here first you read the first tip, children. Write according to the pronunciation of the number. So according how you say that number, how you pronounce that number, according to that pronunciation you are going to write the expanded form of that particular number. So let us see few examples now here. So first one is 39. 39. So how we have to say 39. Same way we are writing 30 plus 9. 156. 100 plus 50 plus 6. 9056. 9000 plus 50 plus 6. So in this is one way, and you may get a doubt, we did not write 0. Even if you don't write 0 also it is correct if you want to write along with 0. So here 9056 we say, right? 9000, write 9000, and you are having 0 here. When you get 0, blindly you are going to write 0 in that particular place value. So here 0, again 50, how we say 56. So plus 50 plus 6. So this is one trick or tip, children. And the second one is jealous. Let us see now. Read this. According to the number of digits on the right side of each digit. So here I'll explain this. When you are writing expanded form of any digit, you are going to start from the highest place value, and after that particular place value you should look over right side of that particular digit and count how many numbers you have. According to that numbers, according to that count, you are going to put zeros. So that is the other trick. So let us see with examples. So the first example is number 44. See, 4 you need to write. First 4 you write, and after 4 how many digits you have? Only one digit. So that is why 40 you are writing, plus the second number is 0 plus 0. Here 523, children. 523. So the highest place value is 5. First you write 5. After 5 how many numbers you have? 2 numbers. So you are going to put 2 zeros. Write 2 zeros next to 5 plus 5 is over. Now we are writing about 2. So put 2 here, and after 2 how many digits you have? Only one number, one digit, one number you have. So write 0 next to 2. So 20 plus the last digit is number 3. So do you have any zeros or numbers you have after 3? No. So we are writing directly 3 and leaving it. So here if it is 2 digit or 3 digit or 4 digit, anything, if it is very big number also it is fine, children. So see, I am taking very big number here. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 1 lakh. Oh my God, this is very big number, and you may think it is very difficult to write. If it with this trick will make it very easy. See, first we are going to write 6 And after 6, how many digits we have? Count and tell me fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct? So 5 zeros you write. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus, now 6 is over. We are writing for 8. Write number 8 first and count the zeros. Numbers. How many numbers you have after 8? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 zeros plus 8 is over. Now 9. You are going to write 9. How many zeros you need to write next to 9? Count the numbers. You are right. 3 numbers. So 3 zeros. Now 9 is over. We are writing for number 6. So 6. After 6, how many digits we have? Tell me. You are right. 2 digits. So 2 zeros plus next one, next number is number 5. So after 5, how many digits we have? Only 1. So 5, 0. 1, 0 we need to put. So 50. After 5, which number we have? 0. Directly 0 you can write, children. See 0. After 0 we don't have any number, so we are not writing anything. So in between, if you get 0 also it is fine, children. Directly you write 0 in that particular position. Need not to worry about anything. So I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you for listening. For better understanding, watch the video again and again. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon for my new video notifications. Thank you.